Symptoms and management of hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means the thyroid gland is not sufficiently active to produce the normal quantity of the hormones T3, T4, which are necessary for the metabolism of the human body. That is, it is underactive. The symptoms they are produced according to the various organs which are influenced and affected by the deficiency of the thyroid hormones. As overall, it controls the metabolism of the whole human body and organs, especially the fat and carbohydrate and production of the energy. Also, it controls the production and manufacturing of the proteins, that is amino acid, in the liver and the other bodies, organs. So the main symptoms are unexplained weight gain, intolerance to the cold, dry cold skin, anemia, jaundice, brittle nail, and there is fall of hairs. Overall edema, puffiness of the face, that is swollen legs. There are also painful cough, dyspnea, breathlessness due to infection of the lung parenchyma, due to pressure effect of the pleural effusion which are produced in this pathology, that is hypothyroidism. There is distension of the abdomen, there is heartburn, dyspepsia, bloating, belching, there is irritability in the upper abdomen because there is ascites, accumulation of the not exudate, I mean the pathological fluid in the peritoneal cavity, because there are two layers of the peritoneum. In between the two layers there is excessive amount of exudate accumulated that produces pressure over the lungs, I mean the various organs of the abdomen. Likewise, when there is pleural effusion, that is there is accumulation of the excess accumulation of abnormal fluid in the pleurae that produce pressure over the lungs and produces dyspnea, breathlessness. So there is jaundice, there is hepatitis, splenomegaly. Then in addition to this, there are gynecological complications, that is there is excessive bleeding during menses, there is painful menses, there is irregularity in the menstrual cycles in the females, there is depression, anxiety. These are the various psychological and neurological complications. There is fatigue, muscle pain, joint pain, generalized weakness, especially there is pharyngitis, hoarseness, constipation. So these are the main symptoms produced by the hypothyroidism, especially in the cardiac complications. There is irregularity in the heartbeat, pulse rate, hypotension, there is restlessness, irritability. These are all the palpitation due to the effect over the muscles of the and walls of the heart by the deficiency of the T3, T4. No, diagnosis is simple, that is clear from the physical examination. and moreover we can do the blood estimation level of the T4 especially and the thyroid stimulating hormones. In primary hypothyroidism, the thyroid stimulating hormone is elevated, whereas the value of the T3, T4 is decreased in primary when the cause is in the original gland, that is thyroid gland. The treatment is very, very simple, but it is a very prolonged one. That is, you have to take pills of the levothyroxine oral, which is taken before meal, empty stomach, and at the same time daily for a prolonged time, for many months or many years, you have to take it. But along with this, you have to also compensate the intake of the iodine element, which is necessary for the synthesis of the thyroid hormones. So the iodine in the form of salt or in the various food products like fish and dairy products, they are abundant with iodine, that is must be taken in abundant quantity. So there is should not be deficiency of iodine, and there is also, the production of the T3, T4 is sufficient, especially T3 is very vital one. It is only active form of the thyroid hormone, which that produces the metabolism of the carbohydrate, fat, and it produces the energy in the body tissue.